like trying to make the same face as her. Like I can't do it. This is hard. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have recreated one of my favorite Shay Mitchell looks, and here's the picture. I think she looks fierce as all hell in this picture. I think her eyes look amazing. I think her lips look amazing. I think she in general is just amazing. So that is why I've tried to recreate it today. Watch the entire video and I will let you know at the end how I feel about it. However, at the end of the day, I still think that Shay Mitchell is a queen and that she looks amazing in absolutely everything. That doesn't necessarily mean that I look good in absolutely everything, but watch the video and you will find out. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. Done. So since this is a celebrity-inspired look, I'm going to be doing my full face again. So to start off, I am priming and moisturizing my face using my Farsali Unicorn Essence drops. Yeah. And then while I let that dry, I am picking up my Tarte BB Tinted Primer in the color Medium Tan, my regular routine. Why stray away from routine, you know what I mean? Like, what's the point? It's a routine for a reason. And then from there, my routine continues as I pick up my Hello Flawless pressed powder by Benefit in the color Amber. And then before I move on to my contour, eyeshadow, and highlight, all of the celebrity-inspired things, I'm going to be putting on my concealer, and I'm using my regular Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte in the color Light Medium Honey. To bake my face today, I'm using my Mercier setting translucent powder thing. And then while I let that set, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. So I actually picked up something new from Sephora. This is going to help me like contour my eyebrows. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil. It says that it's like an eyeshadow primer and a color corrector, but I always use it as a like concealer underneath my eyebrows. Just like blend it out with the rest of your makeup. And then moving on to the picture of Shay Mitchell, we're going to look at that real quick. So her eyebrows are a little bit thicker than mine, so I'm going to go a little bit more thick and squarish in my eyebrow shape than usual. Yeah. So I'm taking my Anastasia Dipbrow in the color Dark Brown, and yeah, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows like Shay Mitchell. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my contour and highlight, which is like the most dramatic and exciting part of this look. So in the picture, you guys clearly can't see, but in the picture, if you guys know what picture I'm talking about, her contour is like super dark, like so dark, like cutting cheekbones kind of dark, Kim Kardashian kind of dark. So I'm going to be doing a pretty intense contour. But first, actually, it looks like Shay Mitchell has like a little bit of like either tanning lotion or something. Like she's a little bit tanner than usual, and her forehead and cheeks that look a little bit more bronzier than usual, like beyond the contour. So I'm actually going to be taking a bronzer. I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the color Medium Deep Matte. Yeah, Medium Deep Matte. And then taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium to Tan Contour Kit, I'm going to be taking the darkest color, which is right here, and I'm going to contour my face. Okay, and now I'm going to contour my nose. So Shay Mitchell has a very pointed nose. I don't know how much of that is contoured and how much of that is natural, but basically I'm just going to try and recreate her nose by contouring it. By contouring mine. If that makes sense. I feel like I did a pretty good job. I feel like my nose is like more pointed than usual, or looks more pointed than usual. So now I'm going to move on to blush, but since her look is very bronzy, I think I'm going to go with like a deeper, like more bronze kind of tone for the blush rather than like a pink one. So I'm going in a little bit, just a little bit, with this color right over here, right in the middle of my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. I'm picking up a little bit on a blush brush. I'm going to go over it. I'm going to go over my contour, like just above it. Just a teeny tiny bit. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go into the highlight, which in this case, in this photo, the highlight is like super, super blinding. So without making it look too tacky, I'm going to try and recreate that. Sometimes I feel like powder highlights don't do as good of a job at like a blinding effect. So today I'm using my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. This is in the color Moonlight. And her highlights like seems to be like more like in this area rather than in this area. So I'm going to try and contain it all up on right on the top of the cheekbone, which will be right here. So I'm going to go in with a powder highlight just to make that a little bit more brighter and prominent. I don't really like the look of it right now. But I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm taking the color Moonstone. Yeah, Moonstone. I'm just going to go over it very lightly. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the fun part, which I feel like is always the eyeshadow. So from the picture, it doesn't look like her eyeshadow is too intense besides like the blue on the lower lash line. It's mostly just like a brown, not even a smoky eye. It just looks like there's like a little bit of brown on top of her eyelid just to make it look like she does have something there. I think it's supposed to be very, very natural. So I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right over here, and I'm actually going to be mixing it alongside this color. So I'm taking the both of them on a big fluffy brush, and I'm really just going to sweep it over my eye. I want it to be very natural, but I want it to look like there is eyeshadow on there without it being too overpowering, because the main focus is the red lip and the blue lower lash line. Yeah, so that's all I'm going to be doing for my lid. That's literally all that I'm putting on my eyelid because it's supposed to look so natural. And we want to make sure that the blue is like super out there and very popping and striking, and it has to be the main attraction. So now we're going to do that, and I'm really excited. I hope that it looks good on me just like it looks good on Shay Mitchell, but we will see and hope and pray. So I'm taking my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. I'm going to be taking the brightest and most prominent blue in the palette, which is this light blue right over here. It's a little bit shimmery, but I think that's fine. And yeah, I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. Oh my god. I don't know. I mean, it's cool, but I don't know if it's for me. But let's just finish the look and then see how everything comes together. If it comes together, that is. So speaking of highlight, which we weren't actually talking about, but we did it before, so I'm going to go back to it. There is a little bit of an inner Tarte tear duct highlight, so I'm going to highlight that with the same color, the same Moonstone in the Sun Dipped Glow Kit that I used earlier. And then before I move on to my eyelashes, I'm actually going to line my bottom lash line because I feel like that usually pulls everything together. And I can't really tell in this picture if she did that, but I'm just going to assume that she did line it with something. It looks like it might be blue, but I don't have a blue highliner thing, so I'm just going to use black because I think that's what's going to look best anyway. So yeah, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs highliner in the color Blaquer, and I'm going to line my waterline. So now I'm going to move on to eyelashes. I don't think I'm going to use fake eyelashes just because in the look, they're supposed to be very natural. Like the eyelashes are just supposed to be very natural, and I'm pretty sure the only kind of lashes that I have are like more dramatic than anything. I ruined my last natural pair of lashes, so yeah. But I'm just going to use mascara and hope that it turns out well. Hoping for the best. Oh, I should probably have said this. I am using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay. Well, I don't hate it, but I do think that it's not the look for me. But let's go put on the lipstick and then I'll come back to it. So today, I'm going to be using a very bright red lipstick, which I don't usually do. But Shay Mitchell has it on in the picture as a very, very bright red, so I must mimic. Today I am using my Maybelline Vivd Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Rebel Red. Okay. This is definitely not one of my favorites. What do you guys think? I don't know. I feel like it looks good on Shay Mitchell. It's just like it's not the best on me. I don't know. I don't think so. What do you guys think? Anyway, this is the final look. I hope that you guys liked it, even though I didn't necessarily like it. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, see you next time. Thank you.